So I wanted to address a little bit about COVID-19, since that seems to be the thing that we're all talking about these days. I want to talk about what we can do as opposed to what we can't do in the COVID season. Some of the things that we can do include wearing a mask and washing our hands. Those are both very important things to do, along with social distancing. But some of the other basic things that we can all do are make sure that we're getting good sleep. Sleep is the only time where your body heals and repairs. So focusing on good sleep is imperative to fighting off any sort of virus or illness. The other thing is how well you're eating. Food is medicine, and so it is very important right now to eat non-processed foods, eat foods that are good for us, that came from the earth or came from an animal, because the food that we eat can make us sicker or can help us ward off any sort of virus or illness. Some supplements that people have asked us about a lot are, is there anything that I can do? What can I take that might help? And there's a lot of studies that are coming out linking the lack of vitamin D to getting sicker easier, and that involves COVID as well. So taking a dose of vitamin D recommended by your medical provider can help decrease inflammation and boost immunity. So vitamin D can be even more important than things like vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very helpful antioxidant, as well as things like zinc, but there are lots of studies that you can Google on vitamin D and COVID-19. The other really important thing is maintaining stress reduction, because when you are overly stressed, your immune system is decreased. So making sure that you're working on things as simple as deep breathing and taking a moment to laugh and hang out with family. Those are very important things to help boost immunity. One of the things that we're seeing a lot of in this COVID-19 pandemic is the levels of anxiety and depression. I have never seen so much anxiety and depression and actual suicidal ideation. So if those are things that you're feeling, if you're just feeling depressed or anxious or even having those suicidal thoughts, those are things that you're welcome to come in and talk about so that we can help you through this difficult time. I am seeing it a lot in youth, and so if you have a youth that is struggling and you're just not sure how to help, have them come in and talk to us. Or if it's you yourself that is struggling and you're embarrassed to talk about it, it's something that many people are struggling with now, and there are many things that we can do to help you.